Hey there friends, wherever you might be in this beautiful world of ours today. Today I'm out at the Black Rocks in Presque Isle Park in Marquette, Michigan. I came out here to take in some of this beautiful sunshine. We don't get a lot of sunshine up here in the winter. I also want to send out a holiday greeting to y'all wherever you might be in the world. Some of you might wonder what that is on the rocks behind me. These are some of the oldest rocks on the planet, but on the rocks is ice. And I'm a simple guy. I love the cold and I love the relationship between the water and this magnificent Lake Superior and the rocks. So I have some sights and sounds to show you. I also want to send out this thought. I know it's the holiday season and some people have a hard time with the holiday season. So I want to share a quote with you from Anne Frank, who wrote in her diary of a young girl, "I firmly believe that nature brings solace in all troubles." And whether you're having troubles in your own world today or the troubles we have in our world today, I want to share some beautiful sights and sounds of nature with you. I hope you're doing great. Hope to see you again soon.